comes out. You literally about, well, it's still in the oven as if it's like there. But you have to let it in for like half an hour. I don't know. I'm not an expert at cakes. Mo, he's a good professional cook. You guys might know him. He does cakes lots. Let it sit half an hour, and then when you take it out, let it sit like 10 minutes, or put it out in the freezer. So I just put the, I don't know if you guys can see, but I just put the toothpick in the cake, and it's kind of clear, but it still doesn't look prepared enough.